This is the rack mount installation tutorial for Office Rack Mount UPS series. This installation tutorial applies to all Office Rack Mount UPS models. Important notice: before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and their other related documents. To start, prepare the UPS unit. 8 screws, 2 rack mount brackets, the power cord, server rack, hardware kit provided by the server rack, and a Phillips screwdriver with insulated handle. Install the 2 rack mount brackets onto both sides of the UPS using 4 screws on each side. Then use the hardware provided by the server rack to secure the UPS onto the rack. Tighten the 2 screws on each side. Plug the power cord to the UPS and the utility grid. Turn on the UPS to complete the rack mount installation.